Burnout Crew? Welcome back to the Burnout Block, and welcome to our 5-year anniversary. A little bit late on the video, as usual, I guess now, but man, it's crazy. It's been 5 years already with you guys. That's insane. As you can see, we're at the new place now. I just got my toolboxes and stuff put in here. The garage is still a mess. It's kind of off camera, you can't see it, but the garage is still very much a mess. So not exactly ready to make a lot of videos in here yet. But I wanted to at least talk to you guys a little bit here before we go to Aaron's house to do a little bit of work on the Accord today. But I just really want to say thank you guys for 5 years. Last year was like a really fun year of expanding the channel out a bit. Doing that Nashville trip was very fun. Going to Killcare drift events and going to Cars and Coffee and going to Slammed Enough. And just making goofy videos and kind of having more fun with the channel that I have in the past. You know, it was very fun for me to kind of see how me and Aaron interact on these videos and like evolve the channel to be a bit more goofy in a way, be more us, be more vlog style, I guess. A lot of the videos I made in the past, I tried very hard to be very professional. But I was just like, you know what, fuck it, right? Let's just be goofballs, let's be who we are. And that's been something that is brought me a lot of happiness with the channel recently. I know, you know, with my wrestling stuff, I haven't been able to make as much content recently, but I still really do enjoy having, you know, the small crowd that we have of subscribers, you guys, to be here to watch all the goofy shit that we do and the fun that we have. I'm glad that, like, even though we are a small channel, we are a mighty channel. You know, we get to do our fun stuff. We have our little callbacks and things here and there. And, you know, when I get tired from wrestling and I want to kind of get back into the things I love with cars and shit like that, it's fun to have the channel here and being able to film car content, which is something I'm very passionate for. I just unfortunately don't have as much time now to do. But yeah, that's all I really want to say. I just want to say thank you guys. I did not think that we'd get 5 years in. That's pretty crazy. And I'm sure we'll look back years from now and be like, wow, that was only the 5-year point, you know? We have a lot more that we want to get done. We talk a little, you guys will see in a little bit, but we talked a little bit about our plans with Rico, plans with the Civic, plans with the Accord, what's going on, kind of with all of our builds right now. We're just still kind of getting settled into the new place. We've been here like a month or two. So we're still, you know, opening up boxes and putting stuff away, getting things organized. But hopefully my goal is to get the garage up and running and nice and decorated before summer starts. Because I think you guys would like the new layout of the garage. The toolboxes are kind of like just thrown in here right now. But I want to like decorate the walls and stuff and make it kind of like a half man cave, I guess. But I think you guys would like it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for 5 years. It's been great bringing Aaron onto the channel. You guys seem to enjoy his energy as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Right now, we're gonna go cut to me and Aaron working on the Accord and giving y'all some updates. But yeah, I just want to real quick say thank you guys so much. Now enjoy the rest of the video and the rest of the stupid shit that we get up to. All right, see you. Bye. Watch him now. Okay, all right, bye. All right, we are posted up at BSA place, BSA crib. BSA, what you doing over there?
I need power steering fluid.
He said he needs that power steering fluid.
Yeah, I leaked it all out again.
He said he leaked it all. That's crazy. Chuck them leaking. What BSA up to?
Yeah.
Yeah, he said yeah.
Not
shit. Truck been leaking. Diff oil, diff fluid, and power steering fluid. Correct?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, it's been making some been making some interesting noises.
Steering rack is leaking everywhere for some reason. Need new rack. So it leaks out all my power steering within like, when's the last time I filled it up? Pick what? 1. So like maybe every 50 miles it leaks all my power steering out. And then my diff fluid, I haven't checked it since I got it back running. So that's probably been like 300 miles and it leaked like my whole diff out. I found that out because I went to top it off with a bottle and a half of gear oil. So I bought 2 more bottles since Fram's going out of business and they're going with that new company. So they're like $6 a bottle now. So I bought the entire stock.
Yeah. So there's a couple little things that Rico still needs. Maybe we'll Rico is running and driving. So perhaps, the 2-year build process will be posted soon. We don't know. We might wait till it's like locked in. But for right now we're just we're gonna do these breaks. We just wanted to give a little update on what the hell was up with Rico because I know it's been a while. We really do want to post that video because I got like 2 years worth of footage, but there's never an end to a project, I guess. But Rico is on the road. Rico is driving. He sounds fucking gnarly. I'm sure I'll throw some clips in. More gear oil, of course.
Got all the gear oil.
All of the oil. We're oiled up over here, especially for BSA. But yeah, we're getting this shit done, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna hit these fucking brakes today. I do want to get some underglow on it at some point. I don't know if we'll have time to do that today. It's already pretty late in the afternoon, but
BSA.
yeah.
Big succulent asshole.
Big succulent.
Yeah.
Right. Anyways, let's fucking get to work. What we got here on Rico?
Amazon gave me. They gave me a bunch of wire harness tape to hide all of my issues with wire harness tape, right? Like polishing a turd, essentially. Anyways, check out my wire tapeness, you know what I'm saying? It was a rainbow, and then Amazon was like, check this shit out, right? So now it looked somewhat presentable now. So we got it wrapped up here, and then there's wires frayed out all over the place over here. So we strapped all these up, made these look nice. Ignore all that. We just tuck it and hide it, right? And there's my power steering puddle. The truck has just parked there. Rack bad.
Yeah, rack bad.
Have you ever heard of a bad rack? You know what I'm saying? Like,
No
this
rack.
is like no rack.
This is no rack.
Yeah.
No rack.
You don't want no rack.
Hey, you know what though? You got the functioning work light after 20 years, and you got clean engine bay. She looking nice.
Oh yeah.
She go pop.
It's a little messy, but it's pretty clean.
Type shit. We get some garage updates over here. What we looking like? We got Q50 wheel and helmet over here. What else we got recently?
I don't know how recent the last video was.
A while.
Another set of wheels.
Oh yeah, the truck got another set of wheels. Another set of chrome 20.
Yeah. Neighbor had it out on the tree for $500. And while I'm in school and don't have $500, you know who does? The bank. So anyways, we got a really good set of cheap wheels to rock on, you know what I'm saying? Because, I guess the 2000s are coming back. I mean, I feel like these are pretty valid, I feel like they'd be like 2000s-esque. Back in '02 when you seen your brand new '02 Sierra, these are probably some things you see on there. I feel like when I hop out, the right age is 65. 65-year-old truck, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's not because it's the age of truck from the 60s, but close enough.
Close enough.
Yeah.
Also got the slammed enough booty sticker posted up, and of course the yet to be added IES sticker. The BSA go-tos.
You ain't living life.
Unless you eat ass.
I guess. I don't know.
Okay, so like every other car we've done so far, we went
Get
with
her up
the...
there.
What?
Get her up there.
What? Oh God!
Get it up there.
Oh my God! We got the goddamn Power Stop Z23 street kit, upgrade kit that I put on like every car I've owned. This shit's fucking awesome. You guys have probably seen us do brake videos with this kit before. But yeah, carbon fiber ceramic pads. These things are fucking sweet. Shout out Rock Auto also for having this shit cheap as hell. Y'all need to use Rock Auto. We're not sponsored, obviously, but like, yeah, shout out Rock Auto.
Rock Auto, please sponsor us.
Please sponsor us.
Listen, Power Stop is the go. And we got on the Subaru, we got it on the G6.
Had it on
If they sell it for the truck, I'll probably get some for the truck.
Had it on the Q50. About to have it on the Accord.
Man, did the Q50 have those?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, we be putting them on everything. But yeah.
Man, and I be braking hard.
Yeah.
I ain't no sissy. I ain't no liberal sissy driver, right? I use that brake pedal, and let me tell you, it is not warped, and it brakes good. On a dime.
Type shit. Yeah. We got some fucking drilled slotted rotors and shit in here, because, I mean, I guess you guys will see once we take it all apart, but the Accord brakes suck ass. Yeah, look at these. All the bits and pieces. But yeah, look at these nice ass brakes, man. I'm excited. First modification for this stock Honda Accord that is currently dirty as fuck.
Why'd I pull the ramps up?
Huh?
You don't even need the ramps. Your shit ain't even low, I forget.
Yeah, my shit bone stock. Look at this fuck ass car, man.
Ramps, you know it's an issue when your jack can just fit under your car.
Yeah.
It has to be lower.
It's just not low enough. I mean, look at this fucking. Look at this. I can fit a fucking fist in here, man. This is terrible.
It could be like
This is terrible, man. Look at all the fucking rubber on the side of the car, too. I had 2 tires blow out, so they replaced the front 2. Look how much fucking rubber got slung on the side that I've yet to clay bar, and it's been like 2 months. Right.
Yeah.
Right. Shout out the panty dropper sticker on Rico as well. New edition. New edition.
It's true too. You know how many dudes cracks I've seen?
That's crazy. Yeah, he be seeing dudes cracks all the time.
Yeah, it's like guys just keep dropping their panties 24/7.
Type shit.
Don't ask me about women, they're nasty.
Yeah, don't ask. Don't ask. Well, we've got the caliper and shit off in the bracket. Right now, we got to drill out this fucking factory screw because this bitch is stuck in there. But look at how fucking crusty these caliper brackets are. So we're gonna fucking give it a nice little cleanup. We're not painting it like we did the Q50. And honestly, I mean, yeah, the pads aren't terrible on this. They just don't stop wheel at all. So fuck these things. But yeah, we're gonna have to make these look a little bit better because these look chopped as fuck right now. Yeah, they're not getting painted red like the Q50s did, but I don't want them looking so crusty next to the nice new rotors. So we'll see what we do. But for right now, we gotta get these fucking the screw out because this thing's fucking stuck in there. So fun times. ESA giving it a shot with his hammer impact thing to do hickey.
There's been one Honda that I haven't had to drill out, and it was a car that was 2 years old. So they're an L for this shit.
Goddamn. Man, that shit busted.
We'll use the drill.
The drill.
Right. This is the one thing I'll clown Honda for. This is like when you need your ratchet and your sockets to do your brake job, you also need a drill and drill bits. That's like guaranteed on any Honda that's like anything older than 2 years. Cause they fucking lazy to just hold on to the fucking brake rotor. I gotta have a screwdriver. I gotta have a screw to make sure it's perfect. Make sure it's lined up for the fucking wheel. That's why we have lug nuts. To fucking do the star pattern and it wouldn't even be an issue from the factory line. But they don't think like that. They're idiots. Now I gotta do this. Every time I do a brake job. Now I gotta do this.
Alright, so right now I got this little metal wire brush and we're gonna try our best to get this nice and cleaned up. It probably won't look as good as brand new, and like I said, it's not getting painted, but yeah, we're gonna at least clean this up a little bit, make it look nice, and then get the front done, and then lift up the back and get the back done. All right, Dan, so we got these wheels back on, and look how nice these nice new brakes are, man. Looking fabulous. So yeah, we about to get this lowered back down and then start on the backside. Yeah, these things are pretty crusty looking too. Aaron's over there drilling out the other half, but yeah, these things look pretty crusty. Well, we got this shit done. Aaron don't believe me that the thing's tight, so he's going around and checking even more. But she all done. We about to take her on a test drive. It's dark out now, but yeah, they're looking pretty good. These back ones were a pain in the ass, but they are also done. So yeah, we're about to take her on the test drive, get her warmed up, and yeah. All right, Dan. Well, brakes are done, and we took on a test drive. Test drive went well. Aaron got to see a 0-60 in the Accord for the first time. Bro was just locked in for me. Bro was just locked in.
Dude, that shit was like actually slow as hell. Like,
yeah, it's pretty slow.
My Civic could probably do like twice as fast.
Yeah, I mean the Civic does have like 1,200 horsepower.
Yeah.
So
just
yeah.
based off the stickers alone.
Exactly. But yeah, great time to get the brakes done because those things sucked ass. So now we got the summer season, the warm season coming up with
It was a nice day out too, you know. It wasn't even like balls sweating hot or nothing. It was like chilling. It was like
Yeah.
It was like kooky chilling cool, you know what I'm saying?
it was like 67
on gang.
Anyways, great way to round out our 5-year anniversary video for the Burnout Block with finishing this shit. So yeah, much more to do this summer. We're gonna try to look out for some shows. He already went to fucking Slammed Enough in Columbus because I was wrestling that day, so we missed out on filming that. But hopefully get a couple more Slammed Enoughs this year. Maybe possibly some kill care with the truck if everything goes well. Perhaps it'd be nice to get it on the straight.
That's the next year thing. I'm broke.
Yeah,
I'm
we'll
broke
see.
until January.
We'll see. But yeah, tried to get some more shit out with the truck, and hopefully the Honda will get some shit done soon, perhaps. And the Accord will hopefully get some wheels soon. What the? Bro just farted on camera. That's crazy. Oh my god. All right. So anyways, it's been a great 5 years of Burnout Block. More to come. More stupid shit. More Aaron farting, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.